Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back for another math lesson. We're going to do lesson 7.8 today. So make sure that you have that in front of you. 7.8. If you know your big numbers, it's 403. 403. And all you need to do on this page is trace the 4 16s and the word 16, trace the 4 17s and the word 17. So go ahead and do that. Trace it, make sure you taking your time and tracing them and writing the numbers correctly. And then we're going to trace the word 16. S, I, X, T, E, E, N. Okay, now we're going to trace the 4 17s. Remember, straight line for number 1, and then number 7 is across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. Then we're going to trace the word 17. 17 is S, E, V, E, N, T, E, E, N. Okay, and when you're finished with that, you're going to go ahead and flip to the very next page in your packet. And we need to make sure that we have 16 here. So we have one full tens frame. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we're going to go ahead and trace the 16s. Remember, make a C, then in you go. Then you make a 6, you know. All right, so let's count. How many are here? We have a full tens frame. So we know we have 10. And then we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we're going to make our 16. Okay, and now we're going to make an addition problem out of these two tens frames. So how many are in this tens frame? Well, it's a full tens frame, so it's 10 plus, and we have to count how many are in this, and how many blocks are in this tens frame. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how many do we have in total? Well, we just did it, but let's count again. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have 16 total. All right, so we know that we have 16 total. So let's look at the next page. All right, you're doing the exact same thing on this page as you did on the last page, but now we're working with number 17. So pause the video, try it on your own, and then hit play and see if you did it correctly. Okay, welcome back. So we traced, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we're going to go ahead and trace these 4 17s. And then we're going to count how many yellow blocks are in the tens frames. We have 10 yellow blocks because this tens frame is full, so we know this is 10. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then we need to make an addition problem using these two tens frames. So we know this one is full, and a full tens frame is 10. We have 10 plus, and how many are in this tens frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals, well, right here, but let's count and make sure. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So hopefully you got that all right on your own and we're able to just check it as we went along. Okay. The next page in your packet looks like this. And I want you to cross out these directions. And we're going to change them a little bit. Okay, so it says Emily picked 10 flowers. Okay. Then we're going to add 7 more flowers. So we have all of these are in a row of 10. So then we picked 7 more. So let's draw briefly, quickly, 7 more flowers. 1, 2, try to keep them lined up. 3 with the flowers above it. 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that she already started with 10. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 17 flowers total. All right, now down here, I want you to pick a shape, triangle, square, circle, whatever you want to pick, and we're going to make 17. So we're going to keep them in rows of 5 so that it's easy to count and keep track of. So I'm going to choose a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then I'm going to take another color here, and I'm going to circle 10, because we have, if we were to put these in a tens frame, we would have one full tens frame here. So this is 10. And then we know that this is 10. So 10, a full tens frame, 10. Then we're going to count how many we have outside the tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that 10 plus 7 equals 17. Okay? All right, now I want you to try these last 2 pages on your own. So pause the video and then hit play to check your answers and see if you're right. Okay, so this first one, number 1 with the apple, we have a full tens frame. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we're going to make an addition problem using these 2 tens frames. So this tens frame is full. Whoops, sorry. So we're going to write 10 plus, how many's in this tens frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 plus 6. Whoa, my paper shifted on me. That was really sloppy. 6 equals 16. Okay, hopefully you got that one right. Thumbs up if you got that one right on your, or give yourself a pat on the back. All right, number 3, let's count how many we have. Well, we have a full tens frame, so we know that that's 10. The number after 10 when we're counting is 11, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then we need to come up with an addition problem. So this is one full tens frame, so we know a full tens frame is 10, plus, we have how many in this tens frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 10 plus 7 is how many total? How many is this total? Well, it's right here. 10 plus 7 is 17. Okay. All right, and then hopefully you went ahead and tried the last page too. If not, pause it now and then try it on your own and then hit play. So here we go. We have one full tens frame. So we're going to put that number here. 10 plus. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 plus 6 equals, well, how many do we have total? We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 10 plus 6 equals 16. All right, now they're telling you that your answer is going to be 9, and they want how many dark gray blocks and how many white blocks. So this is going to be your first number. This is going to be your second number. So how many dark blocks are there? 2. How many white blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Now, remember we talked in addition that if we did this, we would still get the same answer, because in addition you can flip them and still get the same answer. All right, now it wants to know how many bicycles there are. I know this is going to be really hard. How many bicycles are there? 1. All right. Good job. Thanks for sticking with me for 7-7. And if you have any questions, let me know.